So I decided to do Hammer of the Ancients. I'm going to go to mixamo.com. They don't have any hammer animations, but they do have an axe. So I'm going to go down. I'm going to use this animation, the ending of it specifically, not the beginning part. I'm going to download it, 60 frames per second. And again, I'm going to go to my Mixamo animations folder and drag in the animation that we downloaded. I'm going to rename it Hammer Down and do the usual stuff. Humanoid, apply, configure, sample T-bind pose, apply, done. Go to the animation window. I'm going to rename it Hammer Down. For now, I'm going to check all these boxes. And we're going to go from, oh, wait a minute. I'm going to put this at feet. And we're going to go from here to where he throws down the axe. 132, I guess. Okay, looks good. Apply. I'm gonna go to my YBot and I'm gonna go to the animator window and I'm gonna drag in the animation. And for now, I'm gonna go from walking to hammer down. And the transition is going to be, first let me set up the graph here. Okay, and the transition is going to be another index. Again, I'll just use index 1. I'm going to go into my characters, states, player. I'm going to create a folder for walking. So player walk. And I'm going to create a new ability, an indexer. Player walk indexer 1. It's going to turn the index to 1. That's going to happen when we press attack. Okay, and when the animation is finished, we go back to idle. For this, we're going to use the exit time. And I'm just going to set up the graph here. Let me go back to the animation. I think I should make this longer, maybe 136, a little more, 140. And then I'm going to blend the ending with the idle animation. Oh, shit. Not this. Okay. Okay, let me fix this. That was a little too much. Okay, now I'm gonna click play and test everything. Oh, I think I forgot to add the ability for walking. I should add the indexer to its list of abilities. And I'm going to click play again. So if I press attack, if I press enter while I'm walking, you get the hammer animation. Let me also check the ledge. Okay, looks good. I think I want to make the hammer a lot faster. Something like 1.6. And try again. Okay, maybe that was a little too fast. 1.5 maybe. Okay. Let me go to the animator. And make sure foot IK is turned on. Looks like we need to adjust it a little bit. Where's my animation? Hammer down. I want to bring it up just a little bit. And play again. Maybe that was a little too much. 0.025. Zero 3. Okay. I also want to add some camera shake here. So I'm going to create a folder for hammer down. Add a new ability. Shake camera. Hammer down shake camera. Looks like I spelled this wrong. Rename it. And for now, let me just guess the number here in terms of shake timing. Hammer down, add the ability, character state, one ability, which is the shake camera. I'm gonna click play and see what happens. Okay, looks like 50%. It's a little too late. I'm going to try 40%. Maybe 35. How about 30? Okay, much better. If I maximize it. Okay, I think it looks good. I think I've done enough for one video. In the next video, I want to add the mystical hammer. We want to have a hammer that spawns as the animation gets triggered. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching.